this video, we're going to take a look at the team's page block. So you want to showcase your team, whether your team is, 3 people or 4, 5, 6 or whatever. This is a really great way for you to do that. So I'm going to drag this over, and this is where you can be able to showcase your team members. You can change the photos. You can change this picture here. You can come and change the content. You can change their names. You can change their social icons, and you can pretty much change each one individual and change the links for it. So this is pretty nice. I'm going to change the background color here. Go to background, or matter of fact, you can also add special animations to it. Let's say I want it to bounce in. Now it's bouncing in. Or I want it to bounce up. So it bounces up. I want it to kind of fade in, and I could change the duration to fade in here. Change the delay of whatever I want it to be, so it takes a little bit longer. So you have that on there. And go over to the background. I want to change this to a gradient. Now I've changed that to the gradient, so it's just highlighting that person up there. And I'm done with it. Just come in and click to delete. I can pretty much come in and choose the different styles that they've created for you, and based on the number of people on your team, you can come in and delete, accordingly. And if you wanted to change, let's say I'm going to click to edit this here. Go to the layout, and you want to change the width. You want to change the radius. Now I've just changed the radius, that's round. And you can change the background color. You can change the text. So it gives you so much more that you can do, and a really great way for you to present your team members.